Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to return Temu items. And this is quite simple, but first of all I need to tell you something, because Temu has a very strict returning policy and not every product is possible to return. So first of all you need to check if it is possible to return this product. So first of all we go to you, then check your orders, and then right here you see all your orders that you did. Now from here I did just one order, and there's an option where it says return / refund. And right now if you click on that, you will get all the settings and things that you need to do to refund or return this product. Now right now I'm a bit too late because this product I ordered 90 days ago, more than that to be honest. So right now I'm not allowed to refund or return this product. But when you are allowed to return this product, then you will get an option, and if you do the following steps, then you can return your product. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.